Hello and welcome everyone. If you're new to this channel, my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings with Engineers Live. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, then subscribe to this channel, because on this channel, I'm going to share all the ideas, insight, tools and tactics that will help you to go from whatever level you are currently in the software industry, okay, to the epic level of success. Okay, so if you have not yet subscribed, then subscribe to this channel and let us begin. Sir, in which company you are working? I am working on YouTube. On the last live also I had mentioned that I am building programs for software professionals so that they can grow in their career. One part of that program is this YouTube channel where I am releasing videos what is required in the software industry. So I started my series high paying jobs in software just because of that, because there is so much of opportunity out there for high paying jobs, and what is happening is that engineers are not paying attention to these opportunities. What engineers are doing is they are questioning the companies why my salary is not increasing, but the engineers think, okay, what can get me a more salary? And if they see the game that the companies are playing, companies are paying more salary for the most latest technologies. And if you go and learn those technologies, take 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, but your salary will double. Just imagine if you just keep working, your salary will increase at a rate of 8 to 10% every year. Okay? Even if you get a jump 30% at some point, your salary will keep increasing at a rate of 8 to 10% every year. But just imagine within 1 year, if you learn something really which is required by the industry, which is in demand, your salary will jump to 2 or 3 times. Just look at that, do a calculation on Excel sheet and you will see how much big difference this can make. So I create training programs. I have a program called How to Become an A Player in the Software Industry, because what happens is the software industry has this invisible positioning. Okay, what they do is they give you they give you ranking, A, B and C ranking. Okay, and based on that all your salary and everything is decided. Okay, only 20% of people in the software company get an A ranking. So I have a program called How to Become an A Player, and in that program, which is not about programming, which is not about it is about the 4 P's which are required for success in any job. Okay, I call it potential, prowess is expertise, performance is how well you do your project, and personality, how do you behave and how do you act and all those things. Okay, so I have that program, I do that. Okay, I hope that answers my question, Rohan. I'm not at present working for any company. I quit my software company in 2017, okay, to start speaking, to start helping students with their career and everything. So I started doing that. If you are out of college, get a job. There is no other thing. Do whatever you want to do, but first get a job. Okay. So thank you very much for coming live on this channel with me, Musings with Engineer. Next live will happen Thursday, 9:15 p.m. Thank you very much. Have a good day.